Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel and good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for US Bank's Reliacard. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, you guys know what you guys need to do. You guys need to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So US Bank Reliacard is a card which is of US Bank, alright? That's basically in its name. So let me show you guys. First step, you want to search for US Bank Reliacard sign up. After you search for it, click on the first link where it says Reliacard. After you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website. Once you're over here, you want to go on where it says create user account. Once you click on create user account, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can create yourself a user account. And once you're over here, you need to enter your card or your card's account number. It's a basically 16-digit number which is on your back side of your card. You can flip your card, see that number, type it over here. After you click on continue, it's going to ask for your CVV code and its expiration date. You just fill up the form entirely correctly by providing all the information it asks you. After you do that, basically you're good to go. Your US Bank Reliacard account will be created. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. It's me, Vichy Kevin, and I'm signing out. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.